The nature of the mind is emptiness. The expression of this nature is clarity. These two aspects of the mind can be distinguished for descriptive purposes, but they are essentially one. Fixing just on the notion of emptiness or of clarity as if these were independent entities is a mistake. The ultimate nature of the mind is beyond all concepts, definitions, and partial views. A child thinks, I could walk on the clouds. If he could actually reach the clouds, however, he would find nowhere to set foot. In the same way, our thoughts appear to be solid until we examine them. Then we find out that they are without substance. Thus we say that phenomena are empty and apparent at the same time.